Hello, this is Alvin Lim. Today we're going to touch on fabric detergent and what is the difference between Atomy detergent and compared to other detergent. Okay, so let's get going. This is how our detergent look like, and all this information can be obtained from our website. Okay, just to touch, we Atomy state that we don't have 7 harmful ingredients or material in our detergent, both in the dry powder one and the liquid one. Okay, so first thing is no zoolite. Later I'll explain what is zoolite. Second thing is no fluorescent whitening agent, and these two are the main concern for us today. Third is no artificial color, no preservative like paraben, because paraben in many years back, okay, there is paraben being found in washing fabric detergent, and that's where people are suspecting the breast cancer. Some of the cases came from this cause, and that's why there is a ban for paraben. So we also don't have paraben, we don't have phosphate, we don't have chlorine bleaching agent, so no bleaching agent, and no animal based ingredients. Okay, so for the liquid detergent we don't have no petroleum based surfactants. Okay, so these are 7 no for in Atomy. I'm going to touch about these two, zoolite and fluorescent whitening agent, because a lot of us might not know what is this. Okay, so I'm going to touch on this. What is zoolite? Okay, zoolite is a kind of materials. It's actually, it says here, natural volcanic material. Okay, it's actually from the volcanic ash. Okay, it is a kind of dust, and it has a lot of gaps, and this gap actually can trap ion. That means it is I think positively charged. It attracts dirts to them and trap them. Okay, so but these are like dust, and it is white in color, and it is easily available and is very cheap. Okay, but this is a good material to absorb dirts and even poisons to some extent. It works like carbon, right? If you know about carbon, it also have this material, absorb water, it absorb toxic. Okay, so but our Atomy don't add this. Why? Because this will cause a lot of issue as well, because if you didn't clean well your clothing, okay, your machine didn't rinse well, you will always leave this zoolite on the surface. Okay, and sometimes the whitish for black color clothing, the whitish, a bit of sand like things are zoolite. Okay, zoolite. Okay, these are zoolites. Okay, when I did a experiment mixing into our these two glass, this is zoolite, it become very cloudy. Okay, and no matter how you stir, the cloudiness is still there, because these are all dust particles, where else ours is made from enzyme, from coconuts, maize, and even sugarcane. It is very natural, so our water is clear. Okay, so that's the main difference. So with zoolite, you need to have a lot of rinse, and your rinse should if it's not effective, then this zoolite will be left on your clothing, and this is not good for your skin. Okay, if you, for those who experience, is the a bit of dust like thing on your clothing. Okay, sometimes it's dirt, but sometimes it's zoolite. Okay, and what the other thing about washing detergent is this thing, and this is the scary thing. This is called fluorescent whitening agent. What is it? Okay, it actually states it is optical brightener. It has a few names: optical brightening agent, fluorescent brightening agent, okay, or fluorescent whitening agent, fluorescent brightening or fluorescent whitening. Okay, they are all chemical compounds, and it actually absorbs ultraviolet light and then to emit light so that it look brighter. Okay, these are added. That's the reason that is why there is a lot of advertisement. If you remember seeing, I always see such advertisement about fabric detergent, is that your clothing is, when you wash your clothing, it become brighter. It is always brighter color, correct? It's always brighter color. But you think again, can it be true? How can it, the color will not fade off and become brighter? It's all because of this fluorescent brightening agent. Okay, everything, okay, except I think gold or some of the precious metal, gold, silver, everything on earth will oxidize. When it oxidize, the color fade, especially color. Okay, there is no color that won't fade under the sun. It will fade, and this is called oxidation. Okay, oxidation occurs naturally. So when an advertisement says that it become brighter, how it become brighter? It actually add this to make it look brighter. It actually trick your eyes. So this is because of this effect. There is a lot of things added. Okay, a lot of things use this optical brightener, including our white paper, our tissue paper, some facial mask, paper mask. Okay, they add it so that it look brighter. Even some, I heard, but that is the low grade one, the whitening cream. Okay, they also add this because it let people feel that your face is brighter, but it's very dangerous. You are putting chemical on your face. Okay, so this is optical brightening. Again, this is the effect. Okay, I uses this thing. Okay, see, okay, this is ultraviolet. I think if you might not able to see the ultraviolet, but when it shine on optical brightener, it will brighten up in this kind of color, bright UV color, or bright like purple color. Okay, so this is Atomy, the same water that I used just now. I shone on it, and that's the result. Okay, this is clear and this is brightened up. Okay, this is optical brightener. Okay, we use in our army cans road march. It actually break up, and then the chemical reaction, and it actually brighten up. And this is in a lot of washing detergent. Okay, so you must be careful. I show you an example here. Oops, sorry. Oh no. Okay, you can see this. Okay, this is with optical brightener. You see this cloth, when it is being manufactured, they already add optical brightening, so that's why it look brighter. See, and this one don't have. You see the difference? Can you see the difference? So now you are wiser now, because you can tell that with this ultraviolet light, it's a special light. Don't buy those cheap ultraviolet light which is shown on anything also purple color. That one is not okay. This is specially calculated, and I think adjust to the wave. Okay, that's why the difference. Okay, you can see the difference now. I hope you can see. Okay, so this is optical brightener. So this is something that I've been educating people. Please be careful with your products, especially optical brightener. Okay, for this detergent, this is the calculations that I did. Okay, ours is 24 kilograms, so 20 gram, 240 gram divided by 20 gram. Because for my home users, my washing machine is 8 kilogram. Okay, so I took this range, divided. I can do 120 wash. 120 wash. Okay, 120 wash. You go and calculate how much wash can commercial this detergent wash your clothes. Okay, you just take the volume, how much your weight, all this, do a calculation, how many wash, and you calculate per wash how much, and you can tell whether Atomy washing detergent save you money. For my own calculation, it save money. Okay, and because this is high concentrate, it's high quality, there's not a lot of bubble, so whether it's top load or front load can use. Okay, because it's the bubble is chemicals. For front load, there's the rubber will disintegrate because of chemical reactions, and that's why after a while you leak. Okay, for Atomy, this washing powder can use. Okay, you can use because it doesn't react with the rubbers. Okay, so this is some cleansing power sample that was taken, okay, from our website. Okay, now I'm going to show you some tests done online by other user and show to you how well it cleans. Okay, and we're going to go to this. Okay, I need to switch off the sound. Okay, this demonstration is done with 4 different kind of washing powder. The first one is Atomy and the rest one with different brand. Okay, they actually add iodine, 2 cap each. Okay, I'm going to pass forward it. Okay, then you got do another cap, and then after that they will add the powder into the water to demonstrate the cleaning power. Okay, now they're gonna add the water. Take a small spoon of detergent from each pot, and then add. Although this is not gauge the amount of powder used, but it generally gives us an idea how well each individual powder can wash. The amount is the same, but as I say, because Atomy is more concentrated, the amount they use might not be fair to other washing powder, but yet still you can do your own test if you want. I'm just wanted to show this. Okay, so you see, okay, so after that this lady actually did, okay, she's trying to explain from there, same that I've just explained to you guys. Zoiled, okay, this is clear. That's why I'm trying to say is when you have Zoiled, it will be cloudy. Okay, cloudy, these are all cloudy. No Zoiled will be clear. And she add another drop. Okay, last one for Atomy. Okay, she didn't add Atomy yet. Okay, she's gonna add now. She make sure that it's full. Okay. Okay, there's another one here done by, but this time using our liquid detergent.
Jumping right into it, we are taking 3 scoops of another brand's detergent and adding it to a cup of water, and then we are taking some of our Atomy fabric detergent and adding it to a different cup of water. The Atomy detergent contains pine needle extract, which helps with skin sensitivity, and it contains baking soda, which helps to remove stains and odors. The cups are going to represent your washing machine as if you were throwing a load of
put one for with this one Atomy, and this one on the left is other brand.
That you would find in your clothes, your towels,
so
other
she
items you
put
would
in
throw in
some
your washing
ink.
machine. And we're just going to give that a great stir. This is going to represent the first load
Okay,
wash cycle
and
in your
then
washing
she
machine.
demonstrate like
Detergent
washing
comes in
the
2 forms, powder and liquid. Both
washing
are
machine.
equally great quality, so it's just a matter of preference. The Atomy fabric detergent comes $12.50 loads.
And then she
So
transfer to clean water to like rinsing effect.
Stir, just as your washing machine would do. You will be able to tell the difference between the
Then
other detergent
another
and
rinse.
the Atomy brand. So now we're adding it to the final rinse cycle, and you can see right away that our Atomy detergent, which is on the left-hand side of the screen, is significantly more white and clean than the one on the right.
Okay, you can see the difference now.
Sheets a great squeeze. This is going to represent the spin cycle in the last part of your washing machine load. As you can see, here are the results.
So this is a example experiment that people are demonstrating online. There's a lot you guys can go and check it out. Okay, so that's all for my talks today. So all the best and make your right choice. Goodbye from now.